Good morning. This is Mrs. Califano. I want to show you an example of what I might be looking for in what I call the teach back assignment. Basically, I want you to teach it back to me, and I know these are difficult times. We can't meet face to face, so maybe a video might help. So I'm going to show you how I might do a video. So I have a problem here in front of me, and on my problem, I want to find the area of this trapezoid. So this is what I'm looking at, this trapezoid right here. And I'm going to show you how I would do this. Now, I don't expect you to tell me exactly what the video said to do, but how do you interpret some problem that I give you? So the way I interpret when I do trapezoid areas, I think about a rectangle. A rectangle's area is the length times, I like to call it the height, the way I'm looking at it here, all right? So length times height, or you might know it as length times width. Basically, it's the side times the other side. That's the area of a rectangle. Now, a trapezoid is kind of like a rectangle. If I were to cut this piece off and take this piece and put it up here, I might have a rectangle. And then this, maybe I should cut a little of this off here because it's kind of crookedy and put it in up here. I would end up with a rectangle, and a rectangle area is just length times height. But here in my trapezoid, my lengths are different, although my height is given as 8. So I do want that height. In other words, the height is the line that's perpendicular to the base. That's what we need for our height. So our height will be 8. But I need to know what my lengths are because they're different. So I like to think of it as I'm going to find the average of what I have. I have a 6, length 1 is 6, length 2 is 10. If I add those together and divide by 2, I get 16 divided by 2 gives me an 8. And then I multiply it by the height, and I get an 8 times 8 is 64, and that's my area. So that's how I do my area of my trapezoids. Length 1, length 2, average them out. 16 divided by 2 is an 8. Multiply by the height. I didn't need that 9 at all. So this is the kind of explanation I'd like to get from you. You can either do a video like this, or you can write it out by typing it up. That's, I think, harder. I think it's easier to just make a quick little video and send it. But it's up to you. Whatever you feel comfortable with. I wanted to give you an example. I'll talk to you in a little while. Bye.